In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop iPhone voice memo. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your voice memos. And from here, you will see your recordings. So when we tap on the three dots icon beside the voice memo, there is no option to loop this voice memo. So to do this, what you want to do is close this and go to the App Store. Now you want to download VLC Media Player. So you want to download this application. So I've already downloaded it. Now let's go back to Voice Memos and just tap on the three dots icon beside your voice memo and tap on Share. And when you scroll, you will see the VLC app right here. So just select the app. And from here, as you can see, your voice memo will be transported here. So to loop this voice memo, you want to play it. So tap on the voice memo, play. So you want to tap and pause it first. So now from here, tap on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen. And as you can see, the audio options will appear. Just tap here on Do Not Repeat until you see Repeat 1. So now when we play this, it will automatically repeat with itself. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.